See, I would not be wanting to hazard or give you my own conclusions. ADR is not into concluding anything. ADR is just in the business of giving the factual information to both press as well as electronic media, with the hope that this information will reach the voters and voters get educated. So the next time around, they are more informed voters and they don't get carried away. The whole exercise which we have done today was essentially to communicate what the politicians speak, what they talk. Over the last 2 months almost, the whole atmosphere in Goa was charged on moral principles, on ideologies, on MOIs, on casinos, whether mud is grass or tree. But undercurrent of the whole this thing is something which is very different, which we have seen over the last just 1 week. It all boiled down to plain arithmetic. Whatever number, 13 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2. From 2007, the number of guys with serious crimes were just nil. They were zero. They were zero. In 2012, there were 3 out of 40, namely Babush Montserrat, Jennifer Montserrat, Mickey Pache in the 2012 assembly. 2017, 2 of them are not there out of 3. Neither Babush is there nor Mickey is there. Yeah, but Mickey is not there. I mean, he's not got elected. Which means it is much more. It should be much more concern to all of us, because additional 5 have got into the assembly who have serious crimes. Jennifer is the only common person, this thing between 2012 and 17, but we have additional 5 with serious criminal record, which can be clearly seen here. And I have shown the list of the people who have serious crimes. So only Jennifer Montserrat was there in 2012. Digambar did not have in 2012 a serious crime. It came subsequently. And others, Palankar is a new person, Gaude is a new person, Michael is having this thing which is between 2012 and 17, and so also is Churchill Alema, who was not elected last time, and hence he was not figuring there. But there are 5 new entrants out of 40 with serious criminal background who have now got into the assembly in 2017. That's what we are trying to drive home the point. So in the whole exercise of talking on so many ideologies and morals and other things, this is what is the actual scenario. Yeah.